Okay, testing 1, 2. Alright, testing 1, 2. Can you still hear me even if it's loud? Is this loud? Can you hear me? Ah! Hello? Nonsense. Nonsense? Alright, can you hear me at 55? This is about as loud as it's gonna get. I'm trying to reset the audio, make sure things work with volume and such. Bang, bang. Sorry, people. Y'all, just look at the baby cows. Oh, y'all are so cute. Y'all are like tiny little steaks. I know you have one under there. Move. Yeah, you heard me. Move. I want to see the tiny meat. Oh, there's the tiny steak. Oh, you look adorable. Am I going to scare y'all with this? Yep, I scared y'all. I'm sorry.